Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on reads. You click on settings. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we click on Threads application in this list. As you see here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.